Hey everybody, this is Greenbean with Full-Time Coaster Tour. As we wait for coasters like the Jersey Devil to begin operations, a fun thing to do is to try to catch some of these testing runs. Now, Great Adventure has a few places where you can get a pretty good view of these testing runs of Jersey Devil, and you can see here I'm putting arrows on the screen to where I'm going to show you how to get to, so you can see a pretty good view of a testing run. Now, as we watch this first drop of this coaster, it looks incredible. Right into a dive loop after the initial drop. I can't wait to get on this thing. So we're going to go ahead and start right at Skull Mountain. I'm going to show you how to get to a secret little place where you can get a great view of this coaster. So you're going to walk towards Safari Kids here, a quieter area of the park, which is still pretty cool that they were able to keep this portion of the park when building the coaster. You're gonna keep to the left as you walk into Safari Kids, right past Wild Things there, and then the Oasis Snacks. As you walk back there, keeping to the left, you're gonna notice a little path on the right-hand side. There it is, right there, and you'll make that right-hand turn. Now, as we walk through there, it doesn't take very long. Look, this is the view that you're gonna run into, right by this little purple-handed tornado ride here. Look at the view, and this is the back of the construction site. Now, I've been back here a couple times. Each time I've been back there, I've run into a couple other coaster enthusiasts trying to catch testing runs or just to get great shots of the coaster. But when you're back here, you can see you have pretty unobscured access to the entire construction site. As you can see here, the station and the trains are all prepared with those water dummies. And when the testing run does occur, you can see the drop, the lift, obviously that turn. Now, when I was there, we had a lot of hope for a testing run taking place because, as you can see here, there were staff standing right on the platform there. Again, the water dummies were all loaded into the train. But I think I found the culprit, and you can hear and see him right here onto why the test wasn't happening. Take a listen. Just grinding something away. Now, if you want to come in through the other side, there's another way into this. If you're at Nitro, if you turn around and have Nitro at your back, you hug the right side of the fence there, right by Jumpin' Joey. You're going to make a right onto this wooden deck platform path thing here. Now, you'll be able to see we have pretty cool views. Not as close, but look at this. This is all from that deck. Right here you have just a beautiful view of the lift hill and the first drop, the zero-G stall. Look at that, all that there, and you can still see the turn, a little bit of trees in front of you, but you can clearly see it. So this view is all from the deck on the platform, and that will take you back to that same area that we were just in, behind the construction scene. But as you can see, there are a few places and a few different views to try to capture all sorts of different angles of the Jersey Devil coaster testing. And even when this coaster is going, you know, full tilt, when it's running, you're going to be able to see the coaster from these areas. So it's even going to be cool at that point as well. Right now we're looking at tests and everything, but even when the coaster is running, you're going to be able to do this and see it from these angles. So get on over to Great Adventure. Try to get a testing run in. They're doing it more and more every day. And don't forget to follow our national coaster tour by giving us a sub. Heading to Dorney Park and the Northeast next. Thanks for watching, everybody.